Another legal option. I think you were talking about the ICJ, International Court
Yeah,
of
oo.
Justice.
Ang sabi ng China, Ayungin Shoal is our territory. Pag territory, that means that's above water at high tide, no? Let's challenge China to submit the territorial dispute in the entire West Philippine Sea to arbitration. Isama natin Scarborough Shoal. Dahil sabi ng China, amin yan since 2,000 years ago. Okay, sige. If you really believe na sa inyo yan since 2,000 years ago, dapat may mga ebidensya kayo. Submit it now to ICJ. Kami, meron din kami. Now, hindi naman sisipot yan. Hindi sila sisipot. Wala silang ebidensya eh. Yung sabi na 2,000 years ago, wala silang dokumento eh. Ang kanilang earliest document is 1947 China Handbook. Officially, China claimed the Spratlys only in 1947. Tayo, may mapa tayo 1734, 1808, 1875.
So malakas na malakas yung territorial dispute. You've been explaining this in several forums po, including Facts First. Pero siguro, for the benefit of our viewers, yung distinction between the maritime issue and the territorial issue. The maritime issue was settled by the Permanent Court of Arbitration.
Yes.
Bakit itong territorial issue kailangan dalhin sa International Court of Justice po?
Yung UNCLOS deals only on maritime issues. Ang maritime issue is meron bang exclusive economic zone itong isla na ito? Or hanggang territorial sea lang ito? Meron bang extended continental shelf claim? Yun. Maritime. Yung territorial, sino ba ang may-ari ng isla na ito? Ownership. Land above water at high tide. Kailangan above water at high tide, napaka-importante yan. Pag below water at high tide, maritime. Pag above water at high tide, territorial. So, yung arbitral award dealt only with the maritime. Ngayon, ang naiwan, yung Scarborough Shoal, above water at high tide yan. Yung Pag-asa, yung Ituaba, lahat above water at high tide. So, ang pwede lang dyan, International Court of Justice or any other international tribunal, provided China will agree to submit to arbitration. Dahil, under international law, you cannot sue a state without the consent of the state.
When it comes to a territory.
When it comes to a territory. Yun naman sa UNCLOS, when you ratify UNCLOS, you give your consent in advance to any future arbitration. Kaya yung China is bound by that. When China ratified UNCLOS, they gave its consent in advance. Lahat, everybody. On those specified issues under compulsory arbitration. So, dito sa sa territorial dispute sa Scarborough Shoal at saka Spratlys, we challenge China. Pag talagang believe kayo sa ebidensya ninyo, okay, agree to submit to arbitration.
Have you formally proposed this to the current administration?
Well, I've mentioned it every time, and even yung DND Secretary si Teodoro Gibo, sinabi niya, let's challenge China. Parang gusto niya na rin let's challenge China to submit it to arbitration, the territorial dispute. And ngayon, sabi ni President Marcos Jr., we have to go beyond the notes verbals. So, ito na siguro yun. Pag, it is one of the issues. Either we go to arbitration on the extended continental shelf or dito, ICC din, isama na natin on the territorial
Pero
dispute.
you haven't formally spoken with the President? Kasi may mga legal team din siya, di ba? Sina Lucas Bersamin, si Enrile.
Ako, hindi naman ako part of government ngayon, so I can only talk to you and to the people.
But your proposals make a lot of sense. So I was wondering, baka naman behind the scenes, they were reaching out, they wanted to hear your proposals.
Well, all my proposals are in the public domain. Lahat yan. I discuss it with you, with all others. Tsaka ina-upload ko yan sa YouTube. So, they're free to use it naman.
How about sa DFA po? Has there been any form of communication to basically actualize these proposals?
Well, I bump into the DFA people, of course, in all these gatherings. We discuss it, but nothing formal.
So far, at least two yung legal routes that you're considering. Another arbitration and ICJ.
Yes.
Meron pa po ba?
Well, meron pa yung sa Scarborough Shoal. Dahil the Arbitral Award said na yung Scarborough Shoal common fishing ground among Chinese, Filipino, and Vietnamese fishermen. Pero ngayon, nagmamandando ang China. Hindi, ayaw tayo pinapasok sa lagoon, no? Ganyan din ang Vietnam. So dapat yan, pag common fishing ground, may common rules of fishing. So, ang suggestion ko, let's invite China and Vietnam to sit down what should be the common ground rules on fishing. Hindi naman sisiputan China. So after that, we can go to the tribunal na ayaw ng China to discuss the ground rules, pero if it's a common fishing ground, there must be ground rules. Ilang tonelada ba bawat taon ang pwede namin kunin? Pwede kunin ng Vietnam, pwede kunin ng ng China, at saka anong months ang fishing season.
Para walang overfishing.
Hindi naman pwede every month. Maubos yung isda. Dapat you give time for the fish to regenerate, no? So, I'm sure the tribunal will assume jurisdiction. We can prove that China doesn't want to talk about it.
I don't know whether the DOJ has already completed the preparation for this case, yung environmental damage. Okay?
Yung plano ng DOJ to file a second arbitration case for damage to the marine environment. Ang pinaka-importante dyan, yung marine scientific assessment na nagkaroon ng damage. Dahil you're claiming damages caused by kasi we're asking for monetary damage, because China destroyed the coral reef. So, nasira nga yung coral reef. Pero madaming reasons, maraming causes. Pwede masira yan ng typhoon, ng tsunami. So, dapat mapakita natin na yung Chinese fishermen o maritime militia ang nagsira. Pag wala tayong video niyan, ang kailangan dyan, marine scientific assessment. Titingnan nila what could have caused it. At that time, wala namang storm, wala namang typhoon. Dapat may scientific basis, no? Tsaka kunin natin yung satellite images at that time. At this time, walang typhoon, walang pero andun yung mga maritime militia vessels ng China, kumpul-kumpul. So, circumstantial sila. Kailangan yun. That's one. Unless we have that, we should not file. So that is for Skoda Shoal, that's known also as Sabina Shoal, at saka yung sa Rosal Reef, which is Iroquois Reef, no? International name. Pwede tayo, but we have to have that scientific assessment. Ang suggestion ko, dalawa, yung foreign at saka local. Foreign experts gagawa ng assessment, local experts will make the assessment. Dahil pagdating yan sa arbitral tribunal, they will also ask their own independent assessment.
To validate.
To validate. Mag-hire sila ng marine experts, marine biologists to conduct also another assessment. No?